Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel where I document my daily journey towards self-improvement and personal growth. Right now I'm focused on touch typing, and every day I practice for hours, pushing myself to improve a little bit more. I'm sharing this journey with you not only to track my progress, but also to hopefully inspire anyone out there who's working on their own goals. As always, I'll keep it short. I won't make you sit through hours of typing practice, but if you ever want the full sessions, just let me know. Today is day 8, and I took on a brand new challenge, learning how to type numbers. Let me tell you, this was no joke. It was hard, way harder than I expected. Honestly, for the first 30 minutes, it felt so awkward that I almost thought about quitting. My fingers just didn't want to cooperate, and I felt like I had no control over where they were going. I kept messing up and felt like I was moving at a snail's pace. But I reminded myself why I started, and I stayed on track. Even when it felt frustrating, I pushed through, knowing that this discomfort is part of the process. The toughest part? Trying to use all my fingers while typing numbers. It felt completely unnatural. I've always used the number pad on my keyboard, so this was a whole new experience. I could feel the urge to rely on just my index fingers. It would have been so much easier. But I resisted. I forced myself to stick with the correct technique, even if it meant going painfully slow. And you know what? After about 30 minutes of struggling, I started to adjust. It still wasn't smooth, but it felt a little less awkward, and I could see small improvements. That little bit of progress gave me the motivation to keep going. One thing I'm really proud of today is that I didn't give up. This is the first time in years that I've stuck with something consistently for this long, and it feels amazing. I've always struggled with consistency in the past, but this journey is different. Knowing that my friends, my family, and all of you are watching keeps me accountable. It's that support that helps me stay on track, even on the tough days when I feel like taking a break. Speaking of breaks, I'll admit that I thought about relaxing tomorrow, but I'm determined to stay consistent, not just for myself, but for all of you who are following along. It's not always easy, but it's worth it. If you're watching this, I'd love for you to leave a comment to help motivate me to keep going. And if you've ever struggled to stay consistent with something, share your tips with me. How do you keep pushing forward when you feel like giving up? I could really use your advice. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're enjoying this journey, please give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Your support means the world to me, and it's what keeps me going. Together, we're proving that progress is possible, one day at a time. Thanks again for being here, and I'll see you tomorrow. Remember, no matter how hard it feels, just keep showing up. Progress happens when you stick with it. See you soon.